Hi, I'm Shari with Organizational Learning and Talent Development. And have you ever lain awake at night and you can't sleep because you're either replaying the past, or maybe you're worrying about the future, or maybe you wake up in the middle of the night and you just lie there awake because your thoughts are just kind of going around in circles? That's called rumination or overthinking, and it's when our thoughts just keep repeating in a loop, and it makes us feel even more anxious. It makes us feel kind of trapped and really kind of down, just like the drizzle that's coming down right now. And sometimes we overthink because we are facing ongoing stressors that we can't control, kind of like right now, right? I mean, we have so many very real and very scary things to worry about right now. Unfortunately, studies show that overthinking is toxic. It actually makes us feel even more overwhelmed, powerless, sad, self-critical, and pessimistic. And it fosters even more negative thinking. It impairs our ability to solve problems. It sucks our motivation, and it interferes with our concentration and our initiative. So here are a few rain-spattered techniques that are from the experts, and they are different things that we can do to help us overcome overthinking. So actively switch to thinking about something else, something less stressful. So your shopping list, plan your next vacation. If I'm lying awake, I'll sometimes subtract from 300 by threes. That's a technique I read about because it takes concentration. And so the point is you're making a conscious effort to put your mind on a task that does take concentration, because that means you're not thinking about whatever's stressing you out and you can sleep. Actively switch to doing something else. So this could be a physical activity, watching or reading something that's engaging. You could be engaging in a hobby. You could be learning something new. It really doesn't matter what you're doing as long as it's absorbing. And bonus points if it also makes you feel happier. Focus on problem solving. So ask yourself what steps you can take to either avoid something similar in the future or learn from the situation. So ask yourself what you can do about it. Even tiny steps help us feel better. Schedule 15 minutes of worry time. And I wasn't sure about this one, but I've tried it and it works. What it means is if I know that later on I've got 15 minutes that I've scheduled that I can worry about this, it lets me let it go right now because I've got time to think about this later. And then when you get there to your scheduled time, set your timer for 5 minutes and then let it rip. Think, worry, analyze. After that, set your timer for 10 minutes and then just write it all down. And when 10 minutes is up, move on. Preferably to something that's fun. Meditate. So concentrate on just breathing and let your thoughts just pass you by. My favorite meditation app says it's like sitting on your porch and just watching the cars pass you by in the street, or maybe let the clouds just pass you by. And talking about apps, there are many apps and websites that help you learn how to meditate and also lead you through meditation. Do something social, so reach out to friends and family to talk. Also, you can put things in perspective. So depending on what you are worrying about, ask yourself if it's still going to matter in 10 years, in 1 year. Sometimes what we're worrying about won't matter in 1 month from now. And sometimes it will, and it's just too big for us to be able to let go on our own, in which case, consult a professional. Reach out to speak with a counselor. And if you're a Henrico County employee, remember that we have the Employee Assistance Program, or EAP, that's here to support you. Also, remember that you can't predict the future. So if you spend time right now worrying about it, it doesn't change anything in the future, and it does make us feel worse right now. So when I catch myself overthinking, I remind myself that worrying doesn't fix or change or solve anything. It just exhausts us now, and it makes us less able to cope with the situation. Which is why I have this rain-splattered quote for us. And it says that worrying doesn't take away from tomorrow's troubles, it just takes away from today's peace.